How many pennies have you made in the last 28 days? Sometimes it gets frustrating as well. Worst thing about YouTube is Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Or rather I should say, welcome to my cute little bedroom. Other than some scenes in some vlogs that I must have shot, this is the first time that I'm shooting a complete video in my bedroom. As you must have read in the title already, I'm going to do the small YouTuber tag. YouTuber tags have been in trend since a long time, but since I'm not that big a YouTuber as of now, I'm not in a position to answer those questions and hop onto the trend. However, I am in a position to answer the questions that are related to small YouTubers, that is YouTubers under 1000 subscribers or that have 1000, 2000 subscribers. I really like to do these chatty videos where I share my own stories and my own experiences so that you guys get to know me better and there's a more personal connect. That is what I want to build with you guys. So here I am. In the small YouTuber tag, maybe you'll get to know about the struggles that I face as a small YouTuber, or like how and why I started this channel, what do I want out of this channel and all that stuff. So basically everything related to YouTube as of now that I've experienced, I'm going to answer those questions. I've taken these questions from Google itself. I also thought to add a twist to this video. I just did not want to simply sit and talk. I wanted to do something along with that. And doing my makeup while talking is out of the picture because then ज़्यादा focus makeup पे ही जाता है and I want the focus to be on what I'm saying and not on the makeup. And that gave me an idea, not just for this video, but that gave me an idea for a series. Today is my shoot day and this video that you're watching right now, it's the third YouTube video that I'm shooting for the day and I've shot 3 reels as well. So I'm super tired and super hungry. So I thought that I should just eat with you guys. I should talk over food with you guys because conversations over food are very personal and very interesting. And I've done 2 other mukbang videos as well which did well as compared to my other videos. I did one in April, I did one in May, and currently it's June. So I've come up with this idea of doing a monthly mukbang series wherein one video every month I'll do food. I'll pick one particular topic and or I'll bring some friend with me and then we'll just eat and chit chat, and you guys can also have your plate of food ready while watching this video because that's something that I like to do as a viewer, and we can just eat together and have a fun chit chat. So I hope you guys like this idea, and I guess ये explain करने के चक्कर में मेरा intro बहुत लंबा हो गया, इसको edit करने में मेरी बहुत बैंड बजेगी, and I'm super hungry as well, so I'll just grab my food and you go get yours, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I've grabbed my plate of snacks and I hope that you have grabbed your plate of snacks too. Snacks, breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you're doing, whatever time you're watching. I have Maggie, my all-time favorite, some McCain's and lemonade, and mind you, I do not eat this type of junk all the time. It's just that right now I am rewarding myself for finishing 3 videos in one go. इससे पहले कि मैं और ज़्यादा explanations दूँ इस video के बारे में, let's just dive straight into the questions. I've been speaking since so long, I'm very thirsty. Right, so the first question is what inspired you to start making videos? Now इसका आंसर बहुत लंबा हो सकता है अगर मैं पूरी बात बताऊँ. So just to brief it up, I discovered YouTube when I literally had nothing to do as in I was in a stage जब मैं super confused थी अपने life को लेके. मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था कि मुझे करना क्या है अपनी life के साथ. चीज़ें चल रही थी बट आई वॉज नॉट हैप्पी विद वट एवर वॉज हैपनिंग. उससे पहले मैं इतना ज़्यादा यूट्यूब नहीं देखती थी, इतना ज़्यादा मेकअप वीडियोज़ नहीं देखती थी. बट देन दैट थिंग बिकेम माई एस्केप एंड देन दैट एस्केप स्टार्टेड टू बिकम माई ऑब्सेशन. देन ऑब्सेशन टर्न इनटू पैशन एंड टुडे हियर आई एम. एंड द फर्स्ट एवर यूट्यूबर जिसको देख के मुझे लगा कि आई वॉन्ट टू डू दिस टू इज़ मालविका सितलानी. शी इज़ माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट and I absolutely love her, and I've learned a lot from her, and it was because of Malvika that I was introduced to this world of makeup and beauty, and uske baad I started following other YouTubers as well. Right now currently I have a list of YouTubers that inspire me the most, but yeah, the first one was Malvika. How long have you been on YouTube? I guess I've been on YouTube since January. The first long form content that I posted was on 7th of January, and उससे पहले तक I was just uploading random shorts. And मैं आंसर करते करते खाना ही भूल गई. Alright, so next question is, where do you see yourself and your YouTube channel in the next 5 years? In the next 5 years, I want that मैं और मेरा channel इतना grow कर चुकी हो that I am able to fulfill my dreams and I am able to make a living out of this channel and fulfill my dreams and my parents' dream as well. Do people from school find your channel? I suppose yes. मतलब मैंने इंस्टा पे डिस्क्लोज किया है, लाइक मैंने इंस्टा के थ्रू ही मैं अपना चैनल प्रमोट करती हूँ एंड लाइक ऑल माई स्कूल फ्रेंड्स, ऑल माई स्कूल क्लासमेट्स आर ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. So I hope that they are seeing my YouTube channel, and if you are, leave a comment so that I get to know. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा if my classmates are watching my channel, because trust me, no one would have expected this out of me. Even I did not expect this out of me school time में कि कल को कभी मेरा इस चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट आएगा भी. I was such a camera shy person that मैं तो कभी like extra curricular activities में भी पार्ट नहीं लेती थी. So nobody would have thought that मेरी भी कभी ये साइड होगी. So I really hope कि मेरे स्कूल फ्रेंड्स ये देख रहे हो, and if you are, make sure to leave a comment. मैं ना बात करते करते खाना भूल रही हूँ. What does your username mean? My username is literally my own name, Shivani Arora, and I want my name to be a personal brand in future. So that's why I did not play with my name. A lot of people suggested कि मुझे कुछ unique रखना चाहिए, but the YouTubers I love, they have their channel known for their name only, and I want people to know me by my name. So that's why I've kept it simple. How many objects is your tripod made out of? I don't know. मेरे tripod पे currently एक ring light है, नीचे एक stand है and एक डंडा है. So like yeah, I don't know. What inspires you to keep making videos even when you haven't found success yet? That's a great question, because a lot of people tell me कि तू इतना motivated रहती है, इतना efforts डालते हैं वीडियो में, तेरी वीडियोस में efforts दिखते हैं, तेरे को motivation आती कहाँ से है? Trust me when I say this, even I don't know मुझे motivation कहाँ से आती है, because अगर इस चीज़ को साइड में रख दो तो otherwise I am the laziest person you'll ever meet. But when it comes to filming content, मुझसे रात के 4 बजे वीडियो बनवा लो, मुझसे दिन में 2 बजे वीडियो बनवा लो, मुझे सुबह सुबह उठा के वीडियो बनवा लो. I am ever ready to work hard at this. I don't know why. Even though I know I'm not very good at it right now, but I will get better with time, of course. Something in me just tells me that I have to work hard at this. Sometimes it gets frustrating as well, क्योंकि आपको सब कुछ अकेले हैंडल करना होता है and knowledge हर एक चीज़ की नहीं है. But hard work is a part and parcel. Hard work, effort, struggle is a part and parcel of everything, and you have to choose where you want to put your efforts in. आपको हर जगह मेहनत तो करनी ही पड़ेगी. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि कोई आप इजी रास्ता चूज कर लो. हर एक रास्ते में अपने अलग तरीके की मुश्किलें होंगी. लाइक मैं बहुत फिल्मी बातें कर रही हूँ, but still, even though right now I have not achieved anything, but like अभी टाइम ही कितना हुआ यार. अभी तो it's been hardly like 1.5 years since I've started creating content, Instagram included, and YouTube पे तो सिर्फ मुझे 4 ही महीने हुए हैं. And I have that faith in me, I have that hope, I have that belief कि yes, something good is going to happen if I do not give up. So that is why I'm always motivated to do this. I'll have 2 to 3 bites, otherwise मेरी मैगी पूरी ठंडी हो जाएगी. Alright, so the next question is थोड़ा सा disheartening. How many pennies have you made in the last 28 days? I have not made a single penny as of now. And it's because YouTube के कुछ rules होते हैं monetization के. आपको मेरे channel पे ads ज़रूर दिखती होगी, but I am not being paid for those ads. We have to complete 1000 subscribers and I am at like 630 right now. And so अगर आपने अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब. हेल्प मी रीच 1000 as soon as possible. Also you need to have 4000 hours of watch time, and 4000 hours of watch time is a lot. उसमें बहुत टाइम लगता है. There's a long way to go for that, and I have to be patient, and I don't mind being patient for that. उसके बाद भी it's not that कि ये monetization target complete होते ही मेरी monthly income fix हो जाएगी. It depends on how much my channel grows, how much views I get. It's like very fluctuating. So YouTube से income is not very stable, you can say. It gets stable after you reach a certain level. Which video are you most proud of? This question makes me so sad, because there was one particular video on my channel that I was very proud of, but due to some reasons, like I had to make that video go private, so you cannot see that anymore. I shot a pamper routine on a very bad day because I had a very bad day. But that video in itself was a way to escape some feelings, and like shooting that video, editing that video, uploading that video kept me going during those days. So that is why I was like very personally attached to that video, but due to some reasons it is not available on my channel anymore. I'm going to shoot another such video very soon. That will be with the happy vibes, so you'll get to see that pretty soon. Who are your favorite YouTubers? Again, I've mentioned Malvika is my favorite YouTuber and Sara Sarosh is my favorite YouTuber as of now. Like these two are my top most favorite. Sara Sarosh की तो मैं इतनी बड़ी दीवानी हूँ. Like other than that, I like Mansi Mouse content, I like Mridul Sharma's content, and I do like that quirkiness as well. So I like Shivani Taneja as well. She's a YouTuber from Delhi, and she's also Shivani, and her content is very relatable. So yeah, there are a lot of YouTubers. The list is endless. What video would you create if you had an unlimited budget? Think big. My God, I did not read this question before, and it's like a lot of pressure to think right now in front of the camera. If I had unlimited budget, simple. I would do a world tour vlog. As of now, I've done only one travel vlog, and I do want to do more travel vlogs as well. But if I have unlimited budget, I would definitely love to go on a world tour and vlog it for you guys. How much do you spend on YouTube every day? How much time do you spend on YouTube every day? I guess this question means as a viewer, how much time do I spend? And it literally depends. Favorite creators जब जो video डालते हैं loyally मैं वो videos देखती हूँ उसी time. So yeah, it depends on how much they post. Which camera do you use to record videos? मेरे हाथ में मेरी मम्मी का फोन है because मेरे अपने फोन से मैं if you want to know which phone currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to shoot this, and manifesting to upgrade to a camera pretty soon once I start growing. I meant a professional camera. What's the best thing about YouTube? I guess the best thing about YouTube is the kind of personal connect that you create with the creator that you watch. I'm not saying this अपने लिए कि आप लोग मेरी लाइफ से अभी से इतना जुड़ जाओ, बट मैं एज अ व्यूअर जितना उन क्रिएटर्स की लाइफ से जुड़ी हुई हूँ जिनकी मैं वीडियोस देखती हूँ, उनकी लाइफ स्टोरीज को देखकर, उनकी हार्डवर्क को देखकर, उनके एफर्ट्स को देखकर, उनकी अचीवमेंट्स को देखकर जितना मैं इंस्पायर होती हूँ, लाइक दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई फील कि YouTube के अलावा किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म पे पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट सिर्फ YouTube पर ही होता है, एंड द वे यू पर्सनली कनेक्ट टू अ पर्सन दैट इज पॉसिबल थ्रू YouTube ओनली. एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट इज फन, इट इज एंटरटेनिंग, it's everything. I love YouTube, even though मैं पूरा दिन इंस्टा पे लगी रहती हूँ, but like I literally love YouTube for what it is. Worst thing about YouTube. Worst thing about YouTube is introducing shorts to YouTube. Trust me, YouTube is like YouTube का essence है long form content, and जब से shorts आया and जिस स्पीड से YouTube shorts को push कर रहा है, I guess long form content थोड़ा पीछे होता जा रहा है. एंड ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा डिसएडवांटेज है, क्योंकि मैं लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट के लिए ही यूट्यूब पर आई हूँ. मुझे शॉर्ट्स बनाना पसंद नहीं है. लाइक आई डू एंजॉय मेकिंग शॉर्ट्स, बट दैट्स जस्ट फॉर फन. The main motive of me being on this platform is kind of negated because of short videos, क्योंकि short videos से वो personal connection नहीं बनता. But at the same time बहुत फास्ट पेस्ड हो चुकी है लाइफ, सो लिटरली लोगों को फटाफट 15 सेकेंड 20 सेकेंड 30 सेकेंड्स की वीडियोस देखनी है, एंड यूट्यूब भी ज़्यादा शॉर्ट्स को पुश कर रहा है. सो या शॉर्ट्स इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. आई एम अपलोडिंग शॉर्ट्स, ऑल्दो मेरे से शॉर्ट्स पर भी व्यूज़ नहीं आते अभी, बट स्टिल यूट्यूब इज प्रमोटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ शॉर्ट्स, एंड टाइम के साथ खुद को बदलना पड़ता है ऑफकोर्स. मैं जिस माइंड सेट से यूट्यूब पर आई थी, आई एम जस्ट लाइक फाइंडिंग द सिल्वर लाइनिंग कि मे बी इफ सम ऑफ माई शॉर्ट्स स्टार्ट वर्किंग एंड पीपल डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल बिकॉज ऑफ दोज शॉर्ट्स, देन दे वुड एंड अप सीइंग माई लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट ऑल्सो. डिस्क्राइब योर यूट्यूब कंटेंट इन वन सेंटेंस. Describing it in one sentence is very hard. I would say that my YouTube videos are informative and fun. Informative for those people who do like my niche. Is this your first channel? Yes, this is my first channel, and as of now I do not intend to have multiple channels. I want to grow one channel only. Like, never say never, but still. what is your channel about. You guys already know my channel is all about beauty, makeup, skincare, lifestyle content, which includes some fun vlogs related to my life and challenge videos. Sometimes I do fashion also, so I'm like all over the place. Which software do you use for video editing? Currently, I am only using InShot for video editing. If you are a new YouTuber, like InShot is the app for you. It's very basic, it's very easy, and it's sufficient for a beginner. Have you met anyone from YouTube in real life? I have not met any creator in real life. Like the creators that I follow mostly तो सब बॉम्बे के ही हैं. Having said that, there are like two YouTubers just like me who were from my class and now they have their own YouTube channel. You have met one already. She's Megha Lahuja, who was in my previous mukbang video. Another YouTuber is Jagriti Katyal and she was also my classmate. Both of them are killing it, so make sure to subscribe to their channels as well. Jagriti makes fun vlogs and fun challenge videos on YouTube, whereas Meghal makes informative videos about hair, makeup, nails, because she's a makeup artist. So make sure to subscribe to their channels as well. And to answer the question, yes, I have met these two in real life. Does your family, friends support you in making videos? First I'll answer for my friends, then I'll answer for my family. My friends support me 100%. Before starting YouTube, I had a very low phase and like my friends pushed me through that. जब मैं YouTube start किया था तो मैं उनसे लाइक एक एक चीज पूछती थी, ये ठीक है, वो ठीक है, ऐसे करूँ वैसे करूँ, एंड पेशेंटली दे आंसर्ड एवरीथिंग. कमेंट करना भूल जाते हैं वो मेरी वीडियोस पे कभी कभी, बट या दे आर वेरी सपोर्टिव. Coming to my family, they are also supportive, but they have not been supportive since the start. They were not very happy with this decision of mine, because of which मेरे YouTube start करने से पहले वाला टाइम काफी मुश्किल था. But मैं अपनी जिद पे थी, तो once I started doing it and they saw my determination, they started supporting me too. And ever since I started my channel, my mom has been my biggest supporter. She has been the one who spreads the word about my every video. My father was also very happy at first, and now he's like okay, and my brother is least bothered about my channel. All in all, they do want me to be successful, of course. And they want my security as well, and YouTube में थोड़ी security कम है, so that's the issue. But I am working for that as well. YouTube is not just the only thing that I'm doing. I am balancing a lot of things right now, and I'm hoping that I'll make them proud. Any advice for new YouTubers? I guess I'm myself very new to this to give an advice, but since this question is there, I am going to answer. I guess there's one thing that differentiates me from like other content creators that I have seen, like that have just started out. दैट लोग ना नंबर्स देख के बहुत जल्दी डिमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं. उस समय मैं 1.5 साल से कंटेंट बना रही हूँ एंड मैंने 1300 फॉलोअर्स से स्टार्ट किया था. आई एम ओनली एट 1500 राइट नाउ. यूट्यूब पर भी आई एम वर्किंग अ लॉट, बट व्यूज बहुत कम आ रहे हैं. इट्स अ फैक्ट कि आपको स्टार्टिंग में कोई नहीं जानता, तो लोग आपका कंटेंट इतना इंटरेस्ट से नहीं देखते. आपके लव्ड वंस देख लेंगे, बट दे आर देयर फॉर यू. जो लोग आपका कंटेंट के लिए आपके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, उनका आपसे कोई पर्सनल कनेक्शन नहीं होता. दैट इज योर रियल ऑडियंस. वो बिल्ड करने में टाइम लगता है, एंड लोग ना बहुत जल्दी डिमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं, एंड डिमोटिवेट होकर फ्रीक्वेंसी धीरे धीरे रिड्यूस होती रहती है, एंड अल्टीमेटली दे गिव अप. आई डोंट नो मेरे अंदर ये एटीट्यूड कब तक रहेगा, एंड आई होप ये हमेशा रहे. नंबर्स को देख के बुरा तो लगता है अभी, बट आई एम लाइक आई हैव ऑलरेडी बिल्ट अ थिक स्किन अराउंड इट, कि मुझे उससे इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि मैं सोचूं कि व्यूज तो आ नहीं रहे तो क्या करना है बना के. आई बिलीव दैट एवरीथिंग विल हैपन when it has to happen. I am not here just for the views. I am here to do what I love. My advice to the new YouTubers is कि please numbers देख के अभी demotivate मत हो. We are all in the same game. We are all in the same boat. We are all in this together. एंड ऑल इन गुड टाइम. वो दिन आएगा जब एक रैंडमली आप सो के उठोगे और आपकी एक वीडियो वायरल हुई पड़ी होगी, जिस वजह से आपके सब्सक्राइबर्स 10 टाइम ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएंगे. फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. आई एम होपिंग फॉर दैट डे टू. इफ यू आर ट्रू टू योर वर्क, दैट डे विल कम फॉर श्योर. जस्ट हैव फेथ एंड कीप वर्किंग हार्ड. Right, so I'm done with the questions and my food as well, and currently I'm on to the dessert. And dessert में I've called for ice cream. I'm not a big dessert person at all. मुझे ज़्यादा मीठा पसंद नहीं है, but these ice creams are to die for. These are from Nick, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, NIC. These ice creams are so delicious, and इस brand में इतने unique flavors आते हैं. Like right now I have a coconut flavored ice cream with me, and ये इतनी ज़्यादा yummy है. This flavor is the Madagascar chocolate flavor. It's like a smooth chocolate ice cream. I love to mix these two ice creams and eat. I love to mix coconut with chocolate. So this is literally feeling like heaven to me right now because मैं बिना पंखे बिना AC के बैठी हूँ. I have more and I'm going to dig in, but before this melts, let me quickly do the outro. That was it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and I hope you connected more with me through this video. And if you're a new YouTuber watching, I hope you did find meaning in this video. We'll grow soon. And make sure to like today's video, share this video with other creators, leave a comment, let me know how you feel. It would mean a lot to me knowing your thoughts about this. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.